Hi guys, this is an overall strategy sheet for the SNAP exam which I wanted to download from the description box. So let's have the overview first. So SNAP exam, if you look at, so quant, logic and verbal, there are three sections to it. There is no GK this time in the quant section. Yep. So total score is 150, 120 question to be done in 120 minutes. So we got 120 per question in 120 minutes. So 1 minute per question is the target to look at, not solve but look at. Ideal score is 75 for the SNAP exam last year. Now this time, because GK is removed, a lot of people think the cutoff will go up, but because GK is removed, quant is added, so I don't think there will be a much difference in the cutoff required, much improvement, because earlier GK we hardly used to spend 5 to 10 minutes. So in those 10 minutes, if I solve quant, I can hardly do 5 more questions. So max cutoff, if you think, will go up from 75, it might go up to 80. Yeah, that's the maximum change we can expect. So here I wanted to fill the sheet after giving a mock how much you are scoring as of today, and attempt wise, ideal attempt, this is not the ideal number of questions, all these marks, because verbal every question is 1.5 marks, accordingly you have to attempt. So this is your target attempts and final target marks. Yeah, now if you go into the details of this thing, so I have divided SNAP into 4 sections: section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. Fine. So we got one, for example, from today we got 1 month remaining for the exam. So 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week is ideal breakup. Suppose you got 15 days remaining for the exam. So every 2 session you have to cover in one week. Okay, that's a breakup. So here logic, 4 topic of logic we have to do every day. Quant 4 topic every day, quant and DI, and verbal 2 topic every day. This is how we are going to break it up. And the target score I have mentioned here the way we had earlier, we saw just now. So week 1, for example, I wanted to solve critical reasoning course of action. Purely critical reasoning question I want to pick up first. And profit and loss, percentages, ratios, simpleness, compounders. If you've given CAT, you already have done a lot of topic in this, out of this. So just need to revise, redo all the things and plan accordingly. And same here from the verbal point of view. Grammar is the first topic I want to pick up. Then we move to session 2, in which we'll go more detailed logic section. Averages, mixtures, time and work, DI in level 2, and then parajumble, idioms, antonym, synonym at level 3. Then same way session 3, session 4. So I want to download this sheet from the PDF. Wherever you study, उसके सामने चिपका दो, because this is a complete strategy sheet for the SIMB exam. All the topic here is not what is there in the books, is their topics are there which have coming in the last few exams. So I wanted to solve the paper accordingly, or prepare accordingly for them. So every session we are going to pick up 20 topic wise test. Yep. I have to go deep down to syllogisms, give a test of syllogism, input output series. Her topic ka ghus ke we have to give a test. And 1 to 2 mocks every week is your target. For example, if you're giving CAT, you might not do 2 mocks every week for SNAP, you can't do that. So you give CAT, focus on CAT, and give 1 mock every week for SIMB. Yep. Our Cetking blue books or peach books are more than sufficient for this. If you have the olive book also, they will do. Yeah, don't study from the CAT ka books, because CAT ka book is going to be totally different ball game from the other exams. Target score 40. The first target is 40. Then we move the target to 50. We'll move the target to 60, and we'll move the target to 75. So that's how we gradually improve the targets with every session. So if you're scoring 40 now also, 35 also, it's no problem, because we are going to improve. Yeah, in the description box I given the link where you can download this PDF. You have to register first to download the PDF. Same way we are launching the mocks, books and shortcuts for the SIMB exam. So in case you want to join your program, description box I give you the link how you can join your program for SIMB exam. Yeah, but SNAP, trust me, is a very good backup plan which you should give. Last day to fill the form is November 15th. But for example, I don't know the exact date. Please check out the date. I think 21 or November 15th is the date. 20s mein hoga shayad. But applying to the college's date is December 15th, 1 day before the SIMB, on the day of the SIMB exam. So I don't want you to fill the college's form today, like SIBM, SCM, HRD. You have to buy their forms. We'll not buy them today. We'll buy them around December 14th. Fine. So December 10th, 1 week before the exam, December 7th, 8th, I am keeping a big bang workshop for Symbi exam. After that workshop, we'll decide whether which colleges to fill. Yeah, so please don't fill out this colleges form right now. First prepare for the exam. Your target score is 75. Alright, all the best. So to subscribe to the channel, you can get all the updates automatically for the upcoming videos for SNAP and other exams. Yep. Thank you.